Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I restored this couch. First things first, I'm not sure exactly what the previous guy wanted to try here, but they tried to add in some solid pieces to strengthen it at the bottom, but it didn't work. So me removing it just to see that what's happening on the inside, that's what I have to do now. Now just removing these solid pieces, it's been a trick because I've realized they actually glued it onto the bottom piece, and as you can see, trying to get it loose with a hammer and chisel took some really elbow grease. Some of the planks broke. I tried to not break it, but it eventually just broke. After removing all these bottom pieces sections onto the staples that hold the dust cover at the bottom, taking that apart, and now you can see this is the type of material that the guys use to build this fancy couches. And yeah, so for me, I need to get everything off, get everything sorted, removing all the unnecessary things that needs to take place. By removing the sides, I can work on getting it replaced. It took some time trying not to damage anything else. I removed the screws so I can get some of it loose, but ended up using the hammer and chisel to break everything away. Before removing the other side, I had my shutterply cut to size. Only part was to mark out the angle of the footpiece, just to trace it and cut it on the bandsaw. You can also use a jigsaw to do this. Lay at the side piece and check if everything is lining up correctly. I can now start assembling it together by using long screws. In the front was a small piece of wood that came out the old side that I just cleaned up. Marked it out where it should go, adding some glue and then screwing it in. Now taking the part of the couch that causes it to have some spring to it and pulling one by one out to make sure the layout is correct, and using a staple gun to mount it on again. There was a crossbeam that is to strengthen it, and also it's a part of the where the legs get attached to. This part is right at this a section of where the front cut I made on the ply. Adding it back with some long screws. Now with both sides replaced and everything is restored in the middle, I can now move on to folding back the material that covers the sides and then stapling the material back into the board. This was a fun little project to do, and almost at the end of this video, I just want to say thank you for sticking it out. Hope this video helps you figure out some ideas on how you can restore something back to life again. And that's a wrap, and I'll see you guys on the next one.